Firstly, launch iTunes on your computer and connect your iPhone using Lightning connector. Now tap on this iPhone icon. Under Summary section, mark this checkbox, Manually manage music and videos, and hit Done on the bottom right corner. Click Apply and hit Sync and Replace. Now tap on these three arrows here and select movies or films based on the option available. Both are same. Now you want to go to File and select Add File to Library. Browse for the video songs you want to add, select them and hit Open. Now bring your mouse next to this library section and you will see an edit option. Just click on it and it will reveal more options under library section. You want to select Home Videos and hit Done. Now when you select Home Videos, you should find all the videos that you added to your iTunes library from your computer. Now you want to select the videos and drag them over this Devices section. That's all. Now when you click on the Movies or Films option under Devices section, you should find your videos. Now you can disconnect your iPhone from iTunes and find your videos right on your iPhone. Launch the TV app on your iPhone. Under Library section, select Home Videos and find your videos added from your computer. And that's all you need to do to add videos to your iPhone using iTunes. I hope you guys found this video useful. If you have any specific questions, ask me down in the comments below. I am Vikas, signing off for the day. Thank you so much for watching.